This tutorial is adding and editing links in WordPress, and especially for like blog rolls, those who actually have them. Blog rolls are a group of links that maybe they're friends, or maybe they're links that you to sites that you like to read, that may be relevant to what your site is about. I use that a couple, a little bit of everything. A couple of my friends, usually most of my friends online, are people who blog somewhat similarly to what I do. Blog about blogging, WordPress, social media, that kind of stuff. So what we'll do is go to the WordPress dashboard. As you see, you have in the sidebar, if you scroll down to links, and you have the listing here in the flyout menu, the all links, add new, or link categories. So we'll go ahead and go to the link section, to all links listed. And as you can see, by default, WordPress actually installs a lot of these handy dandy little links to like the codex, where you can get all the documentation about WordPress. It's kind of like the WordPress wiki. And like to the plugins to suggest ideas, support, to themes, the news at WordPress, and then also all about WordPress. So as you can see here, we have all these links, and say we want to, we'll go ahead and check out this first one, to the codex. Now, as that's loading up, we want to be able to say, like you see in here, it's listed in categories. You can actually make a new blog roll category. Apologize, my browser was a little bit sluggish. So here we go into an existing link, and you have the name, whether it's a keyword or the actual site name. It actually even gives you an example, so it's pretty nice. The address, of course it says don't forget the HTTP, and then you could put the description. Whenever somebody hovers on the link, it will actually show the text to about what it is. And down here you can see categories. Right now, by default, WordPress has blog roll. You can add new categories, whether maybe say it's affiliates or something else. You can also have it, open in a new window, or top, or same window. You can choose say if you have a site with frames on it, you can actually, do that, to specify where your link's going to do. You can also specify the link relationship, whether it's another website of yours, if it's a friend, if you met that friend, or professional, or if they're close to you, if they're family, if they're romantic, whatever. You can even add an image address, an RSS, and then any notes, and then you can give it a rating. And for these, there's actually some plugins. You can actually show the images, like a little thumbnail, to represent that site. So maybe if you have actual template page, you can give it somewhat of a web directory kind of feel. And it doesn't have to go in your sidebar, which usually a lot of people use the blog roll for. They actually put this in the sidebar or somewhere in a widget on their website. That's not in their main content. Now, there is ability to, like I said already, to actually make a template and call the certain category, say blog roll, to that page. So you can do different things, like I have a link section for do follow blogs, and that way people know that whenever they leave a comment, all the links are do follow, that kind of stuff. And you can it's pretty cool. if you want to add a link, of course, anytime you can click add new, even on the general links. Basically, it gives you on the add new link it's basically the blank version of what I just was in, and you can just select what it's at or add a new category since it's not selected yet. But yeah, that's how you can do you can add or edit links in WordPress. Thank you.